The next interesting animal which you have to know about their adaptation to live in their habitat is the adaptive features of deer. Deer is a very it's a very swift animal. It's a very um, harmless animal to look at. Now this deer are the main prey of lion and the tiger. So in order to, because so they have to stay safe, they have to adjust to stay safe and have a long life in the environment where both the deer and the lion stay together. That means both the prey and the predator are in the same environment. So some of the adaptive features it should apply to save them from the from the environmental condition. It is basically a herbivorous animal which eats only the plant material, and they live in the forest, although sometimes it is seen they live in the grassland. So their certain adaptive features has to be to protect them. These are eyes on the sides of its head which enable it to see in all direction at the same time. Why do they need to see all direction at the same time? Because it helps to see the animals in all the area around, especially those animals which are their predator. For example, lion. If the deer is only seeing in the frontal direction, it won't be able to see whether the animal is coming from the side or not, because this is the way they have to protect themselves. Always they have the protection mechanism, so they need to see in all direction all the way, so that they are well protected. They have a big ears for good hearing, which helps the deer to hear the movement of predators. That means they have a big ears for good hearing, which helps the deer to hear the movement of the predators. That means they need to see, they need to understand whether the predator is coming and they are it having any or creating any danger. It is a fast animal, and speed helps to run away from the predators. It has to be very very speedy in their direction, as a result of which they can move very fast from the predators to save themselves from the danger. The deer has brown color. This brown color helps to hide them in the grassland without the notice of lion. See, the same thing of coloration, but the application is different. Why the lion has used the coloration? To hide from the prey, should not, so that the prey should not see them. And the predator and this prey, why are they doing so? To hide themselves from the predator, from the lion, so that they are saved. So basically the motives are different, but the methods is similar. That is, both of them are of same coloration of their surrounding, and both of them's intention is same: to protect, to hide, so that the other animal cannot see. And also it has a strong teeth for chewing hard parts of the stem of the forest. As you know, it is a herbivorous animal, as we had already said, that it only feeds on plant, so there can be some plant material which are harder. So in order to uproot them, they have a very strong teeth which helps them to have or eat the different plant parts, or helps to uproot the different plant parts. So, deer have a keen sense of smell, good hearing, and good eyesight. Exactly the phenomenon, exactly the qualities which is essential to survive in the condition where predator is equally present. I am telling you repeatedly the same thing, that is, it has to survive, it has to adjust in such a manner so that they can save their life. So, the sense of smell, the hearing power, and the eyesight all are essential for the deer to survive, to escape from the predator. They have a skinny legs. Again, the skinny legs helps them to run faster. As you had seen in the lion's running is faster is important because it will have to catch the prey, and the prey's running ability has to be faster because it has to save himself from the predator. And deer use their tails for burning, and also deer have another like the hooves to keep them safe. So these are all the deer's adaptation. So another thing is that it can run faster. It can acha, this is important, as I had mentioned before, that it has a strong chewing part, or it has a strong teeth, and also they have eyes which is on the side of the heads, which is helping the deer to look in the all direction. So, by the today's class, I think you are clear with the adaptive features of the lion and the deer, and how are they using these adaptive feature to survive in the environmental condition. In the next class, we'll start with the aquatic habitat. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.